How to download Fortnite on PC. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download Fortnite on your PC. The website that we're gonna use to download Fortnite is Epic Games. The Epic Games website looks something like this. Go to epicgames.com and log in or sign in to your account. Now click on the download option at the top right corner to download Epic Games. Once your Epic Games is downloaded, then open the Epic Games app on your device. Now it is not necessary to download Epic Games, and you can also download Fortnite within the website. On the Epic Games website, go to the search bar on the top left corner and search for Fortnite. After searching for Fortnite, this interface will open. On this interface, if you scroll down, then there's the option of Get. Click on the Get option to download Fortnite. It is absolutely free and you don't have to pay any amount to download Fortnite. Once you click on Get, then this kind of menu will open. As you can see here, it says total $0. Simply click on Place Order to place your order. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.